Hi, in this video I will tell you how you had to get a yellow circle around your mouse cursor on your Windows computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a very simple, straightforward way. First, you have to download the file yellowhighlight.cur from the site rwdesigner.com I have mentioned in the description. Go to Gallery and search Yellow Highlight. You will find multiple results. Select yellowhighlight.cur that and download it. Now I am going to move this .cur file to my desktop. After that I will go to my Start menu and type mouse. Mouse settings will appear. Now I will find the option Additional Mouse Settings and click it. Mouse Properties menu will pop up. Go for Pointers tab and browse and find the path of desktop pointed to yellowhighlight.cur. Select it and that done. Now you have a yellow circle around your mouse cursor. Thank you for watching and I will look forward you on the next tutorial. Bye.